Open your browser and go to tapsmart.co.in. Click the Sign In button. Enter the login details you received via email. Log into your account. Now click on the V card on the left side of your screen and click on Edit button. Fill in your personal details as required. Add business hours. Navigate to the business hours section of your dashboard. Set your business hours to reflect your availability. Set appointment slots. Go to the Appointment Slots section. Customize your appointment slots based on your availability to allow clients to book time with you. Add website and social media links. Find the section for adding links. Add your website URL and links to your social media profiles. Finalize your vCard template. Browse the available vCard templates. Select the template that best suits your preferences to finalize your digital business card.